I lead the Center of Digital Excellence, or CODE for short, at Genesis. We're the digital economy team in the firm, and our purpose is co-creating value with our partners by harnessing opportunities in the digital economy in Africa. We work with a mix of clients, both on some of the tremendous opportunities that the digital economy is providing for achieving African countries' development priorities, but also recognizing some of the significant risks that the mainstreaming of technology applications are having on society and the economy. Those clients include a mix of governments, big tech companies, and development organizations, and we mostly work across three broad areas. The first is digital economic and social opportunities, and we're really passionate about the fantastic potential for digital applications to unlock significant value for some of the big development challenges on the continent. By far the biggest development imperative at the moment is the demographic transition that the continent is going through. This huge wave of young people who are now hitting the labor force and need to have access to income-generating opportunities, but also critical service delivery in areas like healthcare and education. And we help our clients to be able to identify, quantify, and enable what these opportunities connecting young people to sources of income-generating work or healthcare and education are. For example, we recently worked with the South African government and private sector to develop a growth plan to achieve 500,000 new jobs in South Africa's business process outsourcing and digital outsourcing sector. And we did that by identifying at a very granular level where there are big sources of demand that companies and individuals in South Africa can capture, and then convene the key stakeholders across the industry to agree to a growth plan and make commitments on their agenda items to contribute to that, realizing that objective. But we also work on opportunities in the gig economy, digital platforms that are connecting supply and demand for a whole range of services at different skill levels, things like transport and food delivery, and also on digital tools that are helping micro and small enterprises be able to do their work better, from small-scale producers in the agricultural sector to informal merchants in the retail trade sector. The second big area where we work is technology governance and ethics. And here we are really concerned with helping our clients identify and mitigate some of the major risks that are inherent in technology applications across society and in the economy. And these are risks like big tech companies becoming very powerful in the market and some of the negative potential outcomes to competition or consumer outcomes. Risks like data governance, not just the foundational issues of data protection and privacy, but some of the ethical considerations around who really owns the data that's generated and how can you equitably share and govern that. And risks related to frontier technology applications like AI and some of the ethical considerations around how AI algorithms are designed and deployed. For example, we're currently working with the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation and USAID on an initiative to figure out the implications of AI and automation on employment and inclusion in agri-food systems. And we'll be convening some of the key stakeholders across the globe to jointly create a set of policy and program recommendations to make AI and automation applications in the agriculture sector more inclusive. And then the third big area that we work is data-driven decision making. And here we're concerned with helping our clients make sense of the messy and complex world of electronic information to help them make better decisions for their organizations. And even though data is increasingly being recognized as a key asset for business decision making, most organizations are still struggling with figuring out how to collect the right kind of data at quality and make sense of it. And we work with our clients across the entire data pipeline in collecting the right kind of information, either through mobile surveys or connecting to APIs, storing, processing, and analyzing that information. And we've got a team of data scientists and computer scientists that can do prescriptive, diagnostic, and descriptive analytics. And then providing interfaces where our clients can get access to that analytical information at the right time and in real time when they need to make decisions. And examples include interactive online dashboards and web platforms. So as an example here, we're currently working with the MasterCard Foundation and a new fund of funds that is focused on providing financing to micro and small businesses across Africa. And it's a complex set of organizations that are going to be rolling out this program over the next couple of years. And we're helping them to implement an impact reporting system that will allow the Fund of Funds and MasterCard Foundation to collect information from different beneficiaries and stakeholders in the system, make sense of it, and be able to quantify and explain and track the impact that the Fund of Funds is having over the next couple of years.